Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Ganache to MetaMask for Ethereum testing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and download Ganache from the official Truffle website. Install Ganache by following the on-screen instructions. Once installation is complete, launch Ganache. A new workspace will automatically open, displaying your Ethereum accounts and private keys. Next, open the MetaMask extension in your browser. If you don't have MetaMask installed, download it from the Chrome Web Store or the appropriate extension store for your browser. After opening MetaMask, create an account if you haven't done so already. If you already have an account, enter your password to unlock it. Now, click on the Network Selection dropdown at the top of the MetaMask window. Select Custom RPC from the list. In the new RPC URL field, go back to your Ganache workspace. Locate the HTTP RPC server URL, which typically looks like http://127.0.0.1:7545. Copy this URL and paste it into the new RPC URL field in MetaMask. For the chain ID, input 5777, which is the default for Ganache. You can leave the remaining fields as they are. Now, give your network a name, such as Ganache Local. Click Save to add the new network. Once you have saved the network, MetaMask will switch to the Ganache Local network. Return to your Ganache workspace and find the first account listed. Click the copy icon next to the account address to copy it to your clipboard. Now, go back to MetaMask. Click on the account icon in the top right corner. Select Import Account. In the dialog that appears, paste the account address you copied. Enter the private key associated with that address from your Ganache workspace. Click Import to successfully add the account to MetaMask. You are now connected to Ganache through MetaMask for Ethereum testing. You can use this setup to deploy smart contracts and interact with your local blockchain seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.